Hello, today we're going to be presenting the AP2 forecasting future sales. Our group members are Lorenzo Baldera, Gabriella Nuñez, and me, Amanda Gonzalez. This is for Math 1. Our problem statement. The problem presented is that in enlightening wholesale sales forecast of 2021, they must use previous year's data to do calculations that will allow them to analyze the change of the figures and use that analysis to create ratios and percentages that would allow the prediction of 2021 sales per month. The company is using sales data from every month of 2018, 2019, and 2020 to accurately forecast sales for 2021. In order to do this, an analysis will have to be done on all 3 years, calculating average monthly sales and average yearly sales. The calculations and predictions made from the data gathered will allow Lightning Wholesale to grasp their incoming year's sales and plan ahead in their business strategies, necessary inventory, cash flow, or possible growth.
Okay, so for the methodology, first we calculated the monthly average sales of the years 2018, 2019, and 2021 using the simple average formula, which is the sum of observations over the total number of observations. After, we calculated the percent change from the year 2018 and 2019, as well as the percent change from 2019 and 2021 using this formula of percent change, which is new minus old divided by old and then times 100. To get the percent. And next, with the percent changes calculated in step 2, we calculated the annual rate of change using the formula rate of change equals new over old to the 1 over n minus 1 times 100, and n represents the number of years, which is 3 in this case. Then using the 2020 average monthly sales average calculated in step 1, we multiplied it by the annual rate of change calculated in step 3, and the process of operation is shown here, which is the average monthly sales in 2020, which was 4,814.83 times 1 plus the annual rate of change over 100, which was 5.36 over 100, which was estimated to be 5,073. And finally, we calculated the monthly projection for the year 2021 by using the product of step 7 and multiplying it by the ratio of average sales in the month calculated in step 6, which was projected monthly sales for 2021 equals the projected monthly sales times the ratio of average monthly sales.
So using the methodology that my classmate Gabriella said, we got the following results. The average monthly sales for each year were the following. The average of 2018 was 4,116.58. The average of 2019 was 4,574, and the average of 2020 was 4,814.83. So with the formula of rate of change, monthly sales for each year were the following that were presented here. And it was the following. The average of 2018 were 4,116.58. The average of 2019 were 4,574. And the average of 2020 were 4,814.83. The year-over-year percent changes in average monthly sales were the percent change from 2018 to 2019 was 11.11%, and the percent change from 2019 to 2020 was 5.27%, and the annual rate of change was 5.36%. So this was calculated by using the January from 2018, 2019, and 2020. We summarized this, and then we divided by 3, and we got the following results. And then we calculated the ratio by dividing everything by the average yearly sales, which was 4,501.81. So we got the ratio of each. So using the following, we got the projected monthly sales for 2021, which was $5,073. And using the ratio we got in the previous slide, we got the projected sales per month for 2021.
The management at Lightning Wholesale was able to effectively utilize average monthly sales from the years 2018, 2019, and 2020 in order to grasp how their sales figures have changed. They then used this information to project the future monthly sales in 2021. It can be seen that the company's monthly sales were on a steady incline, increasing higher than the previous amount each month for all 3 years. Then in November, the sales reached their peak of highest sales amount, subsequently dropping down in December. This was a common occurrence in all 3 years. These mathematical processes are essential for a business's success in order for them to assess how they did in the past and predict how their sales will do in the future months and years. Thank you so much for listening.